What's up YouTube, it's the Internet Income Ninja back again with another lead. Today I am going to be sharing another job lead. Actually I'll be posting a couple videos today. But before we get into stuff, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share for awesome goodness from us here at Internet Income Ninja, where we talk about all things making money online. Today I will be bringing you a lead. The name of or the title of this job is called the Fraud Prevention Representative position. It is a full-time, completely remote or work from home job that you can do from home, from the park, from wherever you are, as long as you have solid internet connection. Now this job comes to us from the Jack Henry and Associates Fraud Center. Now they're seeking a talented customer-centric fraud prevention call center representative to join their team. As a fraud prevention rep, your duties will include providing high-quality customer service while fielding calls related to fraud prevention, lost and stolen cards, and transaction assistance in a very busy call center environment. Now this company is a tech company that provides payment gateways to several entities through several portals. So they're in the tech space, they're in the financial tech, business to business type of setup. Now to be successful in this position, you must have strong written, verbal and interpersonal communication skills, as well as the ability to exhibit professionalism in handling multiple tasks in a fast-paced environment given the high volume of the work. You also must be able to adhere to a strict break and lunch schedule, as well as remaining available to take calls throughout assigned shift to ensure we are meeting customer satisfaction. Minimum qualification: 1 year experience in a high volume inbound contact or call center. Must be able to work assigned schedule in a 24/7 call center that will include nights, weekends and holidays. Must be able to work a 3-week training schedule Monday through Friday during standard business hours. Now preferred qualifications: experience with payments, card solution and or banking, strong data entry and navigation skills, ability to type at least 45 words per minute, receptive to feedback, coaching and suggestions for improvement, computer literate with a strong working knowledge of Microsoft Office, including Word, Excel and Outlook. Your essential functions will be to answer inbound calls for fraudulent or suspicious transaction questions. So not only are you going to be helping customers over the phone, but you'll probably have a bit of detective work to do as well. So if that's something you're interested in, this is the job for you. You will assist cardholders or financial institutions with lost or stolen card reports. You'll monitor and analyze transactions to detect suspicious activity and protect customer accounts and assets. You'll monitor and analyze transactions to detect suspicious activity. You'll accurately update cases with proper notes or status depending on response from cardholders. You'll meet with the supervisor regularly to discuss feedback and coaching. Employees must be receptive to feedback provided. You'll work hard as a team player, willing to help others as needed. You assist cardholders with transaction assistance, following strict procedures to help obtain approvals, referring them to financial institution when applicable. Contact customers when potential fraud or risk has been identified to verify account activity. You attend mandatory training sessions to stay updated on product or company policy changes. You will stay up to date on emails, ensuring timely responses to supervisors and trainers. Additional duties and responsibilities offered to employees as they progress within the department by demonstrating strong product knowledge and exceptional metrics. So they'll be giving you additional duties and responsibilities based on your performance. Now, at Jack Henry, we know we are better together. We value, respect, and protect the uniqueness each of us brings. Innovation flourishes by including all voices and makes our business and our society stronger. Jack Henry is an equal opportunity employer, and we are committed to providing equal opportunity in all of our employment practices, including selection, hiring, performance management, promotion, transfer, compensation, benefits, education, training, social and recreational activities to all persons regardless of race, religious creed, color, national origin, ancestry, physical disability, mental disability, genetic information, pregnancy, marital status, sex, gender, gender identity, gender expression, age, sexual orientation, and military and veteran status, or any other protected status protected by local, state, or federal law. No one will be subject to, and Jack Henry prohibits any form of discipline, reprisal, intimidation, or retaliation for good faith reports or complaints of incidents or discrimination of any kind, pursuing any discrimination claim, or cooperating in related investigations. So this job pays roughly $16 per hour, according to Glassdoor. It's a pretty good job. It's interacting with people, mixed in with detective work, mixed in with finance, mixed in with some data entry, and a whole lot of fun, it sounds like. So if this is something you're interested in, Jack Henry and Associates Inc. So it's Jack Henry and Associates.com. You'll scroll to the bottom of the page, click careers, and then it's ordered alphabetically, so you'll search under F and you look for fraud prevention representative, remote call center. You'll be working from home, earning $16 per hour, roughly. So guys, thanks so much for your time. I'll leave the link in the description below. But one thing I've realized is it's good to work, it's good to exchange your time for money. It's better to have your money work for you. It's better to have an automated system work for you, earning money regardless of what happens. Even if you don't show up, you can still be earning money. So good jobs are good. They give you experience. You get to be engaged in something. I prefer to be engaged with my family and have money come in automatically. So if this is something that sounds good to you, check the links in the description below. There's a training course on how to get leads and make money from leads. It's a free training course. There's one that teaches you how to earn $1,000 per day using software, selling other people's products, and getting a commission. There's one that teaches you how to build a complete business system from scratch, and it takes you through a 15-day free, well, not free, that one costs as much as 2 cups of chocolate at Starbucks. It costs $7. We checked. For the cost of $7 you can learn how to set up a business, albeit including why you want to start your business, what's your target audience, what's your product. You can set up how you want your business to run, the mentality you need to have to start your business in your niche. All these things, you're taking through these things step by step over 15 days in little bursts, in little sprints, because we understand that everybody has stuff to do. People work and so forth. There's people sitting at their desk working from 9 to 5. So we understand that people are busy. So this training is set up for you to be able to attack this training in little chunks. So guys, thanks so much for your time. Check out this lead, check the link in the description below, but check out the other links that teach you how to earn money passively. So from us here at Internet Income Ninja, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, share for more awesome goodness from us. Guys, continue to stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!